Good morning, friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Alpha Plus Education. I am Sanjeev Kumar Jha and I am starting SPSS series. In this series, I will have small videos on different aspects of SPSS so that it will be easy to learn. However, I will go with the 23 version, but basic functioning of all versions are same. Once you will learn any version, you can operate other versions easily. So in this version, some facilities are there. What are the extra facility? I will let you know in coming videos. But SPSS means Statistical Package for Social Science Research. So it is very useful in the research purposes. It is useful in medical research. It is useful in management research, in psychology research, in educational research, in engineering research. It is useful everywhere we have data because it helps to analyze the data. So if data is there, SPSS can have something to do with that data. So this is the interface of the SPSS. This is part 1 of the video. Learning objective of the video is overview of the SPSS. Overview means how the interface of the SPSS, how we can start our working there, what are the different options in the interface. So आओ सीखें. This is the interface of the SPSS. When you go in start option and clicking on start, clicking on SPSS, this will come. Okay. So this is called as title bar because it has title of the file. Once you will save this file, then title of this file will come here. This is called bar. Menu bar, file, edit, view, data, transform, analyze, other menu are there. And in menu bar, many options are there. What are that? I will let you know. This is called variable, name of variable. If it has some variable, then name of variable will come here. This is called variable count. How many variable this data has. Views. It has two views. One is data view and second is variable view. To make you proper understand, let me take you to the interface of the SPSS. Interface of the SPSS will let you know how this SPSS looks like and how is the functioning of the SPSS. So welcome to SPSS. Here it is. This is called title bar, menu bar, shortcut icons, and this is variable view. In variable view, names of the variable comes here and property of the variables in this line. In data view, we see the data here. Okay, so this is menu options. So in file, edit and view, you will find some familiar options. Familiar in the sense, if you know how to use Excel, how to use MS Word, so some options are there only. New, close, save as, save all data, some edit, do, undo, cut, copy, paste, clear, find, replace. So this is most common to the with other uh, familiar softwares, but the new is here. Most of the options you will use here only. It is, if you want to calculate descriptive statistics, so here it is descriptive statistic. If you want to compare the means, here are the means of comparing means. If you want to calculate a regression, linear regression, and any other kind of regression, correlation, bivariate, partial, or any other dimension reduction, in which factor analysis is there, classification on this basis, non-parametric test. So most of the statistical techniques are lies with analyze. So once you are familiar with analyze, you can do your calculations here. So this is all for this video. We will start by defining variable. Link of the next video you will find in I button above. Or I hope you like this video. If you like this video, share this video, subscribe the channel.